In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display guides from the View menu. Guides are those thin, non-printing lines that help you line up text, shapes, and images with precision. They're a simple visual aid, but they make layouts cleaner and production faster, especially in design, photo, and video applications. Today's goal is straightforward. We'll turn on the visibility of guides so you can see any guides that already exist in your document or project. Here's what you're looking for. At the very top of your application window, you'll see the top menu bar. That's the strip that usually starts with words like File, Edit, and View. We're going to use the View menu because that's where most display options live. Open it, then look for an option labeled Show. Inside that submenu, you'll find Guides. Select it to turn guide visibility on. In many apps, this works like a toggle, so if guides were hidden, they'll appear. If they were already visible, they may be turned off. For today, we're focusing on turning them on so you can see them clearly while you work. Once enabled, you should notice thin lines, often blue, cyan, or purple, running horizontally or vertically across your canvas wherever guides exist. These lines won't print or export. They're only there to help you align content. If you don't see any lines after turning them on, that usually just means there aren't any guides placed yet in your document. The visibility toggle is working, there just aren't any to show. A quick note on naming: different programs use slightly different wording. Some place guides directly under View without a Show submenu, while others bundle them with additional view options like rulers or grids. The pattern you want to remember is the same. Go to View, look for Show, and choose Guides. If you're working across multiple monitors or using custom workspaces, keep in mind that guide colors or visibility can sometimes be affected by themes